y'all, I'm Zachary. Welcome to Burnt Down's Country Kitchen. Today, we're gonna get after my version of a Philly dog. Look, I don't know how Philly does their dogs. It is not gonna be a traditional cheesesteak. I don't do cheesesteaks traditionally. I'm not from Philadelphia. Please understand that, you beautiful Philadelphia people. I am not stomping on your cheesesteak sandwich at all, I promise you. But with that said, I do love me a good cheesesteak, and I love me a good dog, so let's make a Philly dog, burn it down style. All right, y'all, let's get after these ingredients. All right, gotta have your nacho cheese, man, you gotta. No, I'm not traditional, but you gotta have it. I also got me some mozzarella just because, and some provolone, right? Salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. Use as much as you want, little as you want. It's up to you. I got my pepper flake dough I made a while back. It's still really cold, so it's not very pliable right this second. I took it out of the fridge. Should have been out a couple hours ago, but it'll be all right. It's just gonna give me a workout, that's all. All right, I got a red bell pepper. I know it's not traditional in your cheese, or it's cheesesteak. I almost said cheesecake. Neither is hot links, right? And instead of a green bell pepper, I'm using me a jalapeno because I like it spicy. That's just how I get down, y'all. And after all, I'm the only one eating it today, so I'm gonna do it the way I want it. But if you want to do it your way without the spice, you can get regular dogs. They got, bacon cheddar links you could get. Anything your heart desires. Italian sausages, anything you want to do. Of course, I got my steak here. That's enough to get us started, y'all. Let's get after this food. First thing I want to do is cut this into some really thin pieces here. And this knife is so sharp. Whew, love it. It is currently my sharpest knife I have right now. I've been spending a lot of time trying to get these things sharp. But this one's quickly becoming a favorite of mine. It's got good weight, it's got good size. Like that. Like it a lot. Always use your fingers here. I'll let you know how thick you're gonna want it, because you're gonna want to be about the same thickness. That's important to remember, y'all. That way it cooks evenly. And these don't take long at all to cook up, being so thin. And look, you can leave your steak a little firm, not completely frozen, but firm, and it helps it cut better. I did not, because my knife's that sharp right now and I wouldn't even worry about it. But you could do that. It makes cutting it a lot easier. Oh boy. Then these slices are coming out. Get after these veggies. Don't take long. Oh, I'll probably use an onion too. I didn't show that, but you gotta have an onion. Come on now. Come on now. We're definitely gonna want to leave these nice and long here. It's cheesesteak. Come on now. Won't be like completely long, we'll cut them in half. Yeah, that's how I want it. Alright. Get on with my jalapeno, which you could use your green pepper, it don't matter. This is just me, y'all. I use my seeds. Like I said, you do with whatever preference you like. I'm kicking it up a little bit with some heat, but that's just me. Got to have my fill every week. But look, it's pretty much jalapenos. Anything harder than that, I'm done. Like serranos or ghost peppers, done. I love the flavor and the perfect heat of these. We'll stick with that. Of course, my onions are already chopped. Good there. Can't work this dough a little bit, even though it's pretty cold still. definitely gonna want it longer this time. I'm not making a pizza. See how it just bounces right back? It's that cold gluten. That's why it helps to have it room temperature, y'all. I just want to keep bouncing back. Now the main objective here, I want it longer, right? Not so much fat, but long. So since it's cold, it's going to take a while to work out. I won't put you all through it. I'll just keep working at it until I get it where I want it. Okay, next one, get your dogs seared. Want them seared, y'all. Want that flavor, right? Dogs are going. Go ahead and get my cheese in here. This is provolone. I'm also going to slap some onions in here. It don't matter what cut they are. I told you I already had these cut before. Yeah. Okay. So, I'm going to throw my veggies in. While them dogs are doing their thing, get my veggies softening up a little bit. Nothing wrong with that. These dogs are ready to go. Take them off. Turn this way down. Add a little more oil to it. Just gonna let them soften up a little bit, and I'm gonna remove it from the heat for a little bit. Just like that. Dogs are done. They're nice and hot though, aren't they? Whew. Let's see. Only half one on the end here. That's what we'll do. Here's what we'll do. I'm just gonna wrap it over, tuck it in, roll it over. Alright, I'm going to pinch these ends off because that's just too much. I'm not going to need all that. I'm gonna cut this off as well. It's just too much. Too much. Don't need that much dough, do we? Cut those off. I think it's looking good, isn't it? We're gonna go ahead and make sure these seams are pinched, closed up. Now you good people didn't think I was just gonna get a bun and throw a hot dog and some steak on it, did you? Come on now. Come on now. All right, now I got that rolled up and tightened up. You can use egg wash. I'm using me some garlic butter. I got my oven set at 425. Yeah, buddy. Set that aside. Where my mozzarella comes in. Doesn't have to be mozzarella. Wherever you want. Right. in the oven, 425 until golden brown. Got my dog there done. It's ready to go. I got this heated up. Go ahead and throw a little garlic in the center there. Make sure you got enough oil in there. Let it get fragrant. Push that around. Get it mixed in there. All right. It's time for our lovely steak. Alright, so now we got that in there. Sprinkle in some salt. Some pepper. Some pepper. Cracked, no less. Love it. Some onion powder here. Kick it off with a little bit of garlic powder. Now, that meat will not take long, I'm telling you. Those slices are thin. Yeah, that's good. Just a little pink, that's where I want it. I need some mozzarella to put in. The rest of this provolone I got cut up. Just like that. Of course, a little bit more. Take it off the heat. Go. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut this open here. It is a dog, right? Gotta have that open. Look at that. Oh boy. Y'all see in there? Man. Right, so now, get our goodness here. Stuff it in there. This is ridiculous. Absolutely absurd. Incredibly messy too. Meat there, huh? Last but not least, y'all. Gotta have that on there. Whew. Oh boy. Oh boy. Can y'all see it? Come on. How about that? Does that not look good? Whew. Fix and tear into that, but first, like, share, subscribe. Help me out. Appreciate it. Yeah, enough of the business. Let's get to this mozzarella sandwich. That's just ridiculous, y'all. That's just ridiculous. Just a nice cut down the center here. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? All right, let's take a bite of this. Just wreck ourselves, huh? Mmm. Oh boy. I'm glad I did the spicy version because that's just me. But man, that's going to be good regardless of how you do it. Oh boy. That's really good. That's really good. You don't, look, that's crust I already made. My pepper flake crust. Buy it from the store, just regular pizza crust, it don't matter. It doesn't have to be difficult. It really doesn't. Oh boy, that's so good. All right, y'all. This is my lunch. So I'm gonna get after this. Make something, make anything. Make a delicious burnt down style Philly dog. Because I don't know if this is any other style, but I sure like it. If there could actually be a Philly dog, and I'm calling it a Philly dog, this is nothing like it. I have no idea. This is just something I thought of that would have been great, and man, it is good. So, enough talking about it. I'm gonna get after it. Hope you liked it. Till next time.